Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious passion fruit mojito. We will start by gathering our fresh ingredients. You will need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lime, and 1 ripe passion fruit. For the liquids, prepare 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of simple syrup, and about 3 ounces of chilled club soda. Having everything ready makes the process smooth. Now let's get those flavors mingling. In your glass, gently muddle about 10 mint leaves with 2 lime wedges. The goal is to release their oils, not to shred them. Next, pour in 2 ounces of your favorite white rum and 1 ounce of simple syrup. Finally, scoop in the vibrant pulp from 1 ripe passion fruit. This adds that wonderful tropical twist. With your base mixed, it is time for the chill factor. Fill your glass completely to the brim with crushed ice. This not only cools your drink, but also helps to dilute it perfectly as you sip. Then, top off your mojito with about 3 ounces of sparkling club soda. Give it a gentle stir, just enough to combine everything without losing the fizz. You are almost there. Your passion fruit mojito is now ready to be enjoyed. For a beautiful presentation, garnish your glass with a fresh sprig of mint. You can also add a thin lime wheel or even a small passion fruit half on the rim for an extra touch of elegance. Serve it immediately and savor the delightful blend of sweet, tart, and refreshing flavors. Cheers to your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.